Hello, welcome to AssemblyTube. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own EasyPlay. Go to the database and find the download section, click on that, and then the top section there, if you click, you can see an EasyPlay. If you click there, you get a download button. Click on the download button and the software will download onto your computer. It's quite a large file, but it shouldn't take too long if you've got a fast connection. It downloads and you can see the file here. You double click on it and this is what opens. You've got a whole range of files which you need to unzip. Select them all, click on extract to and choose where you want them to go. I've got my USB drive in the F folder, F drive of my computer. Yours might be a different letter. Click OK and the zip software will start to extract all the files and put them onto your USB drive. It takes a little while. You can see on here there's a timer showing how long it's taken and how long it's going to take to finish. I've cut out most of that to save you waiting. It's right at the end now. Now it's just finished. It's all gone blue. That means it's extracted all the files. Here they are on the F drive. Click on that file there and your EasyPlay starts. It's as easy as that. You've now got an AssemblyTube EasyPlay on your USB stick. I hope you try it. Thanks for listening. See you soon. Goodbye.